Have you or a loved one been hit by a microscopic black hole moving through your body at nearly the speed of light? You're um probably not entitled to any compensation. I I know that was weird. Let me explain. Theoretically, anything can be a black hole if it's dense enough. Squeeze pretty much any amount of matter into its Schwarzschild radius, after physicist Carl Schwarzschild, who had everything related to the basic math around black holes named after himself, and you get an object that, well, sort of just breaks reality, I guess. It can be as small as a quark, or weigh as much as 100 billion suns, and everything in between. So, if anything can become a black hole, isn't it possible that at the dawn of the universe as we know it, when everything was really dense and really hot, a bunch of hydrogen, helium, and lithium as heavy as a mountain range collapsed into black holes about the size of a hydrogen atom? If these primordial black holes are still around, they'd be zooming through the cosmos and rain down on our heads. Well, at least according to a new proposal from two physicists who want to try and look for them in action and see if they can at least partially explain what dark matter might be. Okay, so far, so good. But here's a question. What exactly happens if a primordial black hole goes through you? Wouldn't you just implode? Well, according to the math, no. If it's moving faster than the speed of sound, and coming from space is probably moving something like 99% of the speed of light or thereabouts, your body's molecules wouldn't even register something the size of an atom just zipping on through. To a primordial black hole, you have so little density by comparison that you may as well not even be there. And its tidal range is so limited, the best they can do is suck up a stray electron or photon going through you if it hits that particle head on. But you got like 7 or 8 octillion atoms, which is a 7 or 8 with like 27 zeros after, so you'll almost certainly be fine. Though on second thought, you probably wouldn't want it stuck in you because it would actually have time to eat your atoms and belch out radiation. I mean, could you just imagine that episode of House?